Wanna join?
Yes, sure, where?
Classic bar.
Ay, let's go.
Go.
I'd like to have one Napoleon, please.
Oh my! Tristan, girls, wake up!
Come on, guys. This big old baby is about to explode.
What kind of manner is that? Who the hell you are, big old lady? We're going to leave, so shut up. Well then, that's a good idea.
What's your problem?
What's my problem? Maybe it's your problem.
It's none of your business.
Hey, watch your words. I'm still your mother.
Whatever, Mom.
Don't you dare!
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Arya. I've heard you've been having problems lately.
Yes, ma'am.
Some students saw you cut class, drink alcohol, and smoke cigarettes.
Yes, ma'am.
For now, I'll suspend you, but if this happens again, you will be expelled.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Hey!
I heard that the principal was going to suspend you.
I don't care if she wants to suspend me. Then go!
Oh, yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys.
Sorry!
Need the help?
Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight.
Oh, I think she has a problem. Mom, let's talk to her. Lovely, is there something wrong?
Guys, can you give me some advice about Tristan?
Why? Is there something wrong?
Nothing much. I just want to... I think it's difficult to change him.
Yes, I agree with that. Because of his friends, they influence him much.
Ask advice to your mom. She has more experiences about that situation. Thank you, Janela. Thank you, Jan.
Mom, can I disturb you for a while? Yes, of course. Why not? I just want to ask for some advice. What kind of advice? It's all about Tristan. Tristan? Who is he? Is he a boyfriend? What? Of course not. We're just friends. I just want him to change. What is his problem? About his attitude? Absolutely. No, lovely. Just confront him as easy as that. Okay, I'll try. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, I know, it's not a bad attitude. It's not a bad attitude.
Wait, listen.
Oh, I'll give you 5 minutes for that.
You have to change. It's my round day. Look, are you just happy of drinking and smoking at your age?
Nah, let's get along one first.
How about you study? It's not enough to do with stuff.
Okay, I'll try. Need the help? You're welcome. By the way, I'm Tristan.
I'm lovely. I gotta go.
Yeah.
No.
Hi.
Sit down!
Hey.
What are you doing? Why are you sleeping in my class?
I'm I'm sorry, ma'am. I fell asleep.
Okay, that's gonna be your last warning. As I was saying, do your homework. Class dismissed. Yay!
Hey, dude, how was your sleep?
Yeah, it was fine. I was just kind of tired. No, I gotta do my homework, man. Go. Did you just know
We are the Group 3.